Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking power and proximity. Make sure the lock has fresh batteries and the battery indicator is green. Open the Europa app and sign in. Keep your phone's Bluetooth and location turned on. Once done, place your phone within 3 meters of the lock and put the lock into pairing mode by holding the program button for 5 seconds. This immediate, focused setup prevents wasted retries and gets you into the configuration steps quickly. You pair the device by selecting the discovered Europa lock and entering the on-screen 6-digit code shown on the lock or sticker. This authenticates the connection. Next, create an admin PIN and at least one user PIN, and adjust auto lock delay and sensitivity so the door latches reliably. If you want remote control, follow the app's hub setup steps or enable cloud access. Just make sure your home Wi-Fi is stable and you complete the installation by testing every access method. Use the app, the keypad PIN, and the mechanical key 3 times to confirm consistent operation. Make sure the latch fully engages and note any binding. Tighten strike plate screws if needed. Save admin credentials in a secure place and invite trusted users via the app. If something goes wrong, reboot the lock and phone, check for firmware updates, and then reattempt pairing. This usually resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.